Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce 7-inch IPS touchscreen DVD player special for Kia ODS Universal. Okay, let me unbox review. Open the box. You can check header unit with good condition. Okay, you can check this special header unit for Kia Universal. Okay, let me introduce honey set first. This special harness for Kia Universal. You can check this power cable. This Kia Universal power cable. Okay, there is AUX input, left and right. This is for steering wheel control. This K2 for steering wheel control, and this GND ground wire. And this reserve input camera wire. This break-in, this do not need to connect it. This connect to our header unit. Okay. It comes with remote controller, external microphone, it's front mini USB. Okay, this camera input. It's front mini USB. This is the AUX input, left and right. This video input. This is audio cable. This is subwoofer. And video out 1 and video out 2. It's AUX out. Front and rear, left and right. It's audio cable. Okay. Let me show header unit. Okay, you can check. There are 2 screws on top. Please uninstall it before installing. Take out screw before installing. Okay, you can check this side. And the left side. And the back. You can check this come with GPS antenna, this connector, and 2 USB cable and the external microphone. You can check this radio antenna, this connectors, this Wi-Fi antenna, this power connector, this fuse. Okay. This front, you can check this GP2 SD card slot, this IR. This button have DVD player. Okay, let me power with 12 voltage. Okay, system started. Okay. Please take out this screw protector before using. Okay. This volume button work. This knob. This radio. Adjust the brightness. This home button. This date and time. It's a very fast response. Then we check the setting. About motion, you can check MCU variant, CPU octa-core, memory size 4 GB, is PX5 octa-core Android 9 Pie system. And let me check the storage. Total, you can check this is 64 GB. Okay, it's built in the DSP amplifier. DSP sound system. It has bass, subwoofer, settings, effects, the EQ band. Can adjust okay, that's all. Thank you.